welcome to Food vs Sharma with me Suman. In my today's video, I will be sharing with you the recipe of yellow peas curry. Goes really well with kulcha, naan or paratha. So why are we waiting for? Let's just quickly jump into the video. Here we have taken around 250 grams of yellow peas and 250 grams of potato. So first of all, we will heat oil. Add 1 dry red chilli. It would require light roasting. Now we'll add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. 2 medium-sized sliced onions. We will fry it until it's golden brown. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and chili paste. Cook for 6 to 7 minutes. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all together and cook for 1 minute. Add little bit of water so that our masalas are perfectly cooked and are not overburnt. Once masalas are perfectly cooked, we will add peas and potato, which we have boiled. Mix all together. Now add water as per gravy. Cook for next 5 minutes. You can see the boil has come in, and here we will add 1 teaspoon of Garam masala. We'll give it a final mix. And our delicious yellow peas curry is all ready to be served now. Guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming recipes. Until next video, goodbye.